In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left panel, you want to select the Interface button. And then on the right side underneath Language, click the drop down and select your appropriate language from the list here. And then once you're done, you will have to select OK to confirm, and you will need to restart GIMP in order for the changes to take effect. So select on OK, close out of here, and then you will need to restart, like I said, GIMP, and then your language settings should be changed. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.